Hey everyone, today I will show you how to repost on Threads. And here's how it is done. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads app after downloading and installing it. Begin scrolling through your feed to find a thread you'd like to repost. Locate the repost button. Once you have identified the thread you want to share, look for a button with two arrows forming a circular pattern. Tap on this button to reveal two options, repost and code. Choose the repost option. For this tutorial, select the repost option. This action shares the thread directly with your followers without adding any personal commentary. Verify your repost. To ensure the repost was successful, refresh the feed where you found the thread. Your reposted thread should appear at the top of the list. Troubleshooting missing repost. If your repost doesn't display in the feed, do not worry. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In your profile section, you will see a message confirming that you have reposted a specific thread. This ensures that the thread is visible to your followers. Key points about reposting. Reposting threads is similar to how TikTok handles repost, enabling you to share intriguing content from others with your followers. It is a great way to amplify messages and engage with your audience. Now you're ready to effortlessly repost threads and share captivating content with your audience. That is everything you need to know about how to repost on threads. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.